Okay, here we go.
Here we go.
And yeah, it's got brakes. We're good to go.
Woohoo!
I don't know, nothing else works, but it's got brakes.
It's my pumpkin stack.
Wow.
We've got the house ready for fall, as everyone can see.
Cop car action.
Hey, Eric, I got a question.
Hey, Erica.
Do you think that that lamp over there will work?
Well, let's see if it'll work today. Yay! It works today.
The spotlight. How come I couldn't think of words?
I don't know. You see, folks, this car was hit by lightning, and it jacked up a lot of everything.
Right.
So it's in pretty much, this is the first time around the block with brakes. We turned around the block before with no brakes. That was more fun.
Yeah.
Well, we got brakes.
We got power. More power, baby.
We got power. Nothing else works.
No horn.
No horn.
No.
No nothing. No.
No.
No lights. No radio. But we're rolling, so
Yeah.
big improvement. I think this thing. No, that doesn't work either.
No. Do these work? Nope.
No.
Nothing works,
No,
folks.
the light control module's out of it. So
That's all right. Like you said, we have one full year to get it ready for the new No Name Nationals, the second
Burnout
annual
contest.
No Name Nationals Burnout Contest that we will be entering. And we'll be taking it, there's the nuns. We'll be taking it to Cars and Coffee and to go get ice cream next summer for fun. We'll get the windows tinted and make it into a proper Bigfoot hunting mobile.
that's right.
Mm-hmm. What was that noise?
I think one of the catalytic converters is all blown apart, so it rattles. Brr. We can get rid of all that. Shh. Don't tell anybody.
I won't tell anybody. It's a beautiful car, really.
It really is. I mean, the guys whose cop car this was in the town of Dunlap, Tennessee, could remember that name the other day. It was his personal cop car, so it wasn't like a fleet vehicle, you know, any cop, anybody, just one guy. So he actually took care of it. And it's actually in real nice shape if half the car wasn't laying in the back seat
Right.
and it wasn't so dirty.
Yeah.
It'd be good news. So, a little bit of work, a few more parts, and this thing will be good to go.
Yeah. It's slowing and stopping at this point, so that's
Yeah.
really good news.
You can hear the brakes working because their
Mm-hmm.
rotors are all rusted up from sitting. But they'll clean up with some use.
All right, folks. I wonder who put those marks on the street.
I don't know.
Holy cow.
Some hooligan in the neighborhood. There we go, all in one piece and nothing's on fire.
Woo!
Good news.
Signing off.